To apply for a DbA, or doing business as in Colorado, you must first determine if registering a DbA is right for your business. A DbA is a less formal way to present your business name to customers and clients, and it is different from your official business name. If you have an LLC or corporation, registering a DbA can be a good idea. In Colorado, if your company's formal name includes an indicator such as Inc. or LLC, you can file for a DbA. Without the indicator, the next step is to choose a unique DbA name. No two trade names in Colorado can be the same or similar, so your DbA name must stand alone and not be deceptively similar to any other business name. Additionally, the DbA name cannot include a corporate indicator like LLC unless the business has been incorporated as such. Once you have determined a unique and available name, you can prepare the application for an assumed name. To complete the trade name filing, use the forms provided by the Colorado Secretary of State to file a statement of trade name online. It is essential to file your DbA in the county where your business is primarily located, and most Colorado counties require full information in the application. The application typically includes the business name, address, mailing address, business description, dates, and the applicant's name, address, and signature. By following these steps, you can successfully register for a DbA in Colorado. The process involves determining if a DbA is right for your business, choosing a unique name, and preparing and filing the application. With the correct information and forms, you can create a DbA that presents your business in a less formal and more approachable way to your customers and clients.